Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to share a project file in Capcut Mobile using the built-in cloud feature. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Capcut app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Capcut account. Step 2. Find the project you want to share, then tap the three dots next to it for more options. Step 3. Tap on Share Project. This will upload your project to Capcut Cloud. Step 4. Capcut will upload the project to your space, which is your personal cloud storage inside the app. Step 5. Once uploaded, tap the video inside your space, then tap Share Project again. Now you'll get a shareable link. Just tap Copy Link and send it to anyone you want to collaborate with. Bonus tip: recipients can open the link and continue editing on their own device. Just make sure they're logged into Capcut too. And that's how to share a Capcut project using the built-in cloud feature. Like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more mobile editing tricks. See you next time!